we got something special. The mystery poster.
What's inside?
And with the picture.
Oh. It's a box. It's a mystery box.
It's a question mark there. But how am I going to open?
I'll show you.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Squid Game!
it's shaking. And so this is a pizza. Yeah.
And this is the most fight.
Hey, this is mine. And whoa, look all the things. See? Look. We need all this, we need all this, we need all this, and we need all this.
Which one we do first?
And then I want to choose the maybe the hide and seek. I choose the hide and seek. Okay, but oh my god! Wait up! No more.
Well, just another bit.
Okay, we are done. What are the Legos?
Alright, let me do it.
I want to do the couple
Alright. Step
cards.
First, we need this. So I need this.
Let's open it all.
Oh, Squid Game.
Babe, let's see on.
Look, it's the Squid Game.
Oops.
Alright, I'll teach you. Match it together using the. But first, just put this and this thing.
I built this. Okay, I need this. Okay, you ready? That's so fast. Oh, what are these kinds? Instruction. Maybe this is his instruction. First,
Much later.
We almost did it. We've done this. Now we are doing this.
Every player needs to be blue shirts, and the Squid Game clothes are pink and white. And the guns. Next, we are doing jumping on the glass. One will break, one is a fake, and one is not a fake. If you jump the glass, you'll fall really high, really deeper. You'll fall in the fake glass. If you go to the not the fake glass, you go to the must go to the fake, not the fake gun to the end. Open it. So, alright, this is all this. We have a man here.
That's all. Yeah, I want to build this. Where's step 1? I think this is. See? You can buy this anywhere. I don't know what shopping mall you can buy this, but let's find out. Alright, this is number 4. This is the cookie. The cookie. It's like it's a triangle, and you cut it here, and you do that. Then they shoot you. Do like make like use the nail like that. Just not tell you. That's a real gun here. Look at the gun. This is how the gun looks like. Look like a rocket launcher. And this, haha. Hi guys, I am back. What's back? Okay, you built the thing already. Yes. Oh, you built the thing. Alright, let's get back. Oh, this is the game. Triangle.
...346 minutes later.
We are done. We are done. Then you pull this, then you fall down because the string you pull into here, then you lose. And this is the glass. You do this one, you pull down the glass. Let's go. Help. Help! Let's go. Now how do I go in? Wait, there's 2 persons here? Yes. Oh, come on. I'm the bad guy. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, ha ha ha. Help! I will help you. Oh, you all lost. This. Just a basketball. Hey, you can't get me. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. I'm gonna show you more. Bye. Did you see? I said bye already. Yeah. I said bye. Bye. You want to see more videos? Make me for the comment below.